Today we're featuring a 2014 Honda Civic LX. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It is a certified Honda. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it's black in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start over here on the driver's side. Everything looks really good. No issues on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with the backup camera. Passenger sides looks good too. Only thing I really saw was a couple of scratches right here on the hood. Okay, but they've been painted over already. Other than that, it's a good vehicle. Exterior's been well taken care of. Alright, it is a certified Honda too. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, black cloth seats. Driver seat's in good shape, no problem. Does come with keyless entry key fob. Alright, passenger seat looks good too. No problems with the cloth here. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, then up here you have your backup camera display, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And it's got your econ button over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 23,622 miles on it. I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright. And I'll go ahead and pan back a little bit just so you can see the display here. It's got your speedometer, digital speedometer readout up there. Alright. AM, FM, CD. Climate control area. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We'll look in the back seat and check out the trunk space. Alright, everything looks good back here. Cloth's in good shape, and I'll open that passenger side door when I get around there just so you can see. It's a little dark with the black cloth interior, but everything's in good shape. And no issues. Alright, give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the trunk. That's your front license plate bracket there. Carpet's in good shape back here. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. A lot of space in these Civics for storage. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the passenger side of the back seat here. And that'll lighten it up a little bit as far as you being able to see the quality of the cloth here. Right, but everything's in good shape. Right, passenger side front seat, it's in good shape as well. Let's go ahead and recap a little bit. We got a 2014 certified Honda Civic LX, 23,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. It's well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.